Hello everyone, the machine I will show you we made it for Canadian customers. A production line of metal floor decking. This equipment is from automatic palletizer. Automatic push to hydraulic cut off. For hydraulic cutting, we use a double-edged blade. The upper blade is embedded in the rack. In this way, this blade can be made the thinnest, which allows for minimal material waste, and it can be used for a long time. Durable for continuous use. For this one is main roll forming machine. This whole line is still too long, so the machine proposed by the customer is too big. For Canada, the customer's factory space is relatively small. The whole production line takes up too much space. So the customer hopes that we can optimize the size of the equipment in the future. This part is the material feeding device. Machines supplied by Zhongtuo have always been featured by upper and lower rollers, clamping rollers and guided feeding. Make sure the equipment is easy to use and durable. This part is hydraulic automatic decoiler equipped for forming machine. The load capacity of this decoiler is 5 tons. You can choose left or right feeding. Four curved wings prevent the coil from deforming. We added many designs to ensure that there is no accumulation, deformation. The surface of the materials will not be damaged.